obviously one of the problems that I had before I came here was starting in my late 40s, I was getting pretty, not regular, but infrequent pain in my neck. And as I got older, it became more and more frequent. And I went to many doctors. My regular doctors didn't know, sent me in for tests at Chilton Hospital, had all kinds of crazy tests done. At the end, they gave me a kind of a generic statement, which was, well, you must, it's osteoarthritis and disc wasting. And I said, well, if you say so, but it was pretty nasty. It was getting it like 3-4 days a week at least. And of course, at the same time, my teeth weren't in very, very good condition. And, I had never had great teeth. From the time I was a very young kid, I think they over-drilled me, to tell you the truth, but it does, that's water under the bridge. So I came, I had a consultation, I talked to Dr. Logan. I guess he had expertise in musculature problems, and he cured my problem. I have had no neck ache since then, and I'm telling you, I had it hundreds, if not 1,000 times. So right away, that made my life so much better. And then we had consultations and talked about, the various various ways we could go about things, and the thing with the Bateau Bridge, which I had seen in an advertisement on television, and we decided to go for it. And of course, there's various stages of development as it. And first I had the denture, which, number one, that already improved my life. And every stage along the development, and I would call it the rebuilding of my mouth, things have gotten better. So I'm up to the point now where, man, I never thought I'd be. I mean, at some point, you just think, you just have to adapt. You have to live with new handicaps, new problems that keep happening. So I freaking turned everything around. I mean, really, amazing. And as far as my ability to eat, talk, smile, I don't remember a time in my life that it's been as good as it is now. I mean, it's just so much different. So I would say that, yeah, right. Coming here and consulting with you and Dr. Logan and Dr. Jessica Logan, it has changed my life. It actually has. It's been so much better.